Yes, then we wrap up with Afia.
Is everything?
Afia. She posted a video of herself.
We can't talk if you are sure matter. We can't this. We see we no get house. We make no.
So we are just she be part of the celebrity. So we for talk about.
If you are sure is a celebrity,
okay. She me I don't know.
Oh, she's just a social commentator. Maybe we just categorize her as such.
Oh, okay.
So if you are Schweiznager is a social commentator,
oh, okay.
She can be a celebrity.
Okay.
Not in my books.
Okay.
Not under my watch.
Okay.
So long as I'm alive, she is not a celebrity.
Okay.
She will never be a celebrity.
Okay.
Twasso.
She posted a video of herself on IG. Now she was jamming to the song. No, yeah, Chian.
Yeah, say if you don't have a house, don't talk about me. Oh, Diane. Yes, we are renting. Oh, yeah, landlord. Yes, we are tenant. Yeah, tenant. Yeah. Where are you?
Oh, I'm dear with this year. You
renting. About down.
What me see? Yes,
you're renting. Oh, you know one more than here.
I do see.
What are you talking about? Saying now you don't. Please. Who sit down without us? Who just go?
Yes.
And can you empty houses? Unless we now be the ones who be anti me na ni nyina into woni musia.
Yeah, yes, you rent. You be boa
na ba be rent. Profo fie san ye nyai. Ba John Yaman fra ko.
Then she captioned it, the violence we have been waiting for. Freedom of speech at its best. Sarkodie, speak your truth. And please stop putting your words in Sarkodie's mouth. He didn't say Atta is a street girl. You are for the street means boys they chop you. Please take your tree lessons serious.
But nobody is saying otherwise.
And me, I don't understand. He said he didn't say Yvonne Nelson is a street girl. He says she's for the streets means boys they chop them.
Okay.
So that boy she try to.
Yeah.
He said Sarkodie didn't say Yvonne Nelson is a street girl.
So basically people are misinterpreting for the street line. Yes. They say Yvonne Nelson is a street child or no. So for the street, no. The meaning we say more people enter.
Yeah, and that's what
everybody say. I don't know why she they try to break down on Instagram. Which kind of level be that? No one is saying what she's saying. Have you seen any tweet or any post someone say,
no.
Now she's for the street, the other come on.
Then she tagged plenty people which say Sarkodie, men needs to speak. The gender bully is too much. Download me but try me by Sarkodie for full story. That's if Schweiznager's take on the Sarkodie issue. I don't know if she go reply you. So then or share. She dey watch me.
Oh, she dey watch you.
The live save then she dey.
She dey watch. They use some fake accounts they watch us. And Crawford cast on moving, you know, sharing. But they admitting it's all sharing the because we don't mean cast or show Kojo showing. But who show Kojo showing and I can't quite as them what they say. And I do them so they watch us.
Oh yes.
We will control the space. Into more now.
So that what the celebrities they say. So
what
so
are
far,
you saying?
What am I saying?
Yes.
I've said what I'll say yesterday.
What did you say yesterday?
First of all, these are not what I'm coming to say are not my words.
Why words?
Interpretation of their words.
Okay, so
that's what I'm saying. Say me to the slash shaming. You say what slash shaming? Slash shaming.
It's not slash you.
I know. Oh, slash shaming. Slash shaming.
Me are too free.
Today free.
That one.
Over carpenter we no too free.
Too free. What do boom?
Or you get some song. Hammer. Foul hammer. No boom, mommy. From carpenter to too free.
I said boom you. Okay.